What's up guys, this is Malala out here in Kisumu city guys, my hometown, and I'm here with my cousin. Introduce yourself. Yes guys, we are here and it's a very beautiful morning, a sunny day. As you can see guys, the sun is really shining on our faces over here guys. So amazing to be here in Kenya, and this area is called Mamboleo guys. Mamboleo is one of the rapid and upcoming areas. People are really constructing and also building houses over here. Like, the development is so massive guys. Yes guys, so we are here just to show you everything that is gonna be happening here, and also just to take you with us to our daily activities. Otherwise, this is how this area looks like. You can see there's a lot of construction going on, and also motorbike transportation also. You can see carrying very huge luggages. People also basking in the sun. And everybody is ready just to get out there and hustle. Yeah, as you can see guys. So alright guys, so this is Kisumu. Kisumu is so amazing, and yeah, it's also my hometown. So home sweet home guys. And then I keep them what?
Keep them posted.
Yeah, I keep them posted. So Elfas, we are here. So would you mind telling us which road is this?
This is it's called Moroni Nairobi Road. Currently it's under construction, and most people have started developing this road because it is a major road, and it's funded by the government. It's not under the county government, so funds are coming from the government to construct this road. It will be even a shorter route compared to the Ahero road, going to Nairobi. Nice, beautiful scenes and fresh air from the hills. You'll enjoy the views along the road going to Nairobi.
And how long do you think it's gonna take for it to be constructed, since we can see how it is right now? It's not in a very good condition, but you can see that it has already been dug up on one side.
With the current situation of the government, we don't know. Just getting empty promises, and we hope for the best for this region, because it is something that will improve the economy of this area and expand Kisumu to its fullest. So guys,
and these motorbike guys, do you think they make like a good living out of this motorbike business?
It all depends with how you plan yourself for business. It's all competition all around, so it's just a matter of planning yourself well, so that you can win in terms of what you're doing. So it's competitive, yes, but it's how you treat your customers, and also how you carry yourself on a day in, day out in the business.
And I think also how you spend your money, you know. Yeah, because some people make money, but they misuse the money, or maybe squander the money or something like that. Okay. Alright guys, so stay tuned as we bring you more exciting vlogs from Kisumu city guys. Amazing. Yes guys, so we are still here in this place called Mamboleo. As As you can see, this road has been dug up, and the construction is gonna be going on anytime soon. But right now it's still convenience, because you can see the motorbike, taxis, commuting people out and about here. And yeah, it makes life more easier by commuting through these motorbikes called boda. So construction is still going on, as you can see on the other side. Even on the other side, you can see there's a lot of construction going on. Yes, guys. So Municipal market. So let's get inside and see what is basically happening there. So amazing to be here. Let's see what is basically happening here in this market. Wow, very huge watermelon out here. Look at that. Wow, this is like a fruits market, and it smells so nice inside here. There's just a lot of fruits all over, and beautiful African women selling nice and amazing fruits. Look at that. Look at that. Nice bananas here, and also some cereal out here. You can get all types of cereals here. Wow. On this other side, lots of eggs. Hello. Wow, very beautiful tomatoes out there, and amazing. So nice to be here. This is the biggest market here in Kisumu. It's called the Kisumu Municipal Market. All this is the market. So amazing to be here in Kisumu, guys. Wow. Let's go on the other side and see what is happening on this other side. Very nice veg, African natural veg, organic, no GMO inside here. Everything is natural, guys. So amazing to be here. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Very fresh tomatoes here. Hello.
Hi.
Yes. I'm showing my friends how this Kisumu Municipal Market has got organic and natural food.
And very fresh.
You know, dominate this area is the fruits. So there's very healthy bananas here, and they're very sweet. So guys, we want to cross to the other side so that we can go outside and see in the bus park what is happening on the other side. But this is the biggest market, food market here, with organic African food here. So All right, so let's make our way out and then we can show you some other stuff. Wow, amazing. Look at that. And fresh fruits here. All right guys, that is the Kisumu Municipal Market. So this other side, we have like sales of second-hand clothes here. Some chicken being sold here, very healthy and organic chicken. And then on this other side now, we are walking out to the bus stop. So we want to see what normally happens on this other side. This is more or less like a taxi rank here in Kisumu. Look at that. Wow. So this is the Kisumu bus park. Also chilled. Few buses here and there. So we just want to move around and see. Let's go down that side and see what is basically happening here in the bus park. Wow, look at that second-hand bed sheets, amazing. Food here, very nice. Lots of stalls out there. Look at that. Wow. And this is the other side where there's also a lot of shops. Look at that. Lots of shops. And it's chilled, guys. Not overcrowded. Very chilled. And people are just here. So guys, I want to take you to the upper side so that you can also see what is basically happening here in Kisumu city. So amazing to be back home, and guys, stay tuned for more vlogs coming from this other side of Kenya. Look at that. Wow. So this is the Kisumu bus park. Look at that. Buses going to different parts of Kenya, and also on the other side you can see how everyone is minding their own businesses. If you want to use the toilet, you can pay 10 Kenyan shillings out there. Yeah, so shukran. Yeah, so look at this other side. This is where you can get the buses that are going to other parts of Kenya, like Nairobi, Nakuru, Kericho, Mombasa. This is where you can get those other. No, thank you. Alright guys, this is the top booking officer here in Kisumu bus park. So what is your name?
My name is George Olwach. Nickname ni Polo. Pesota.
Yeah. And what do you say about this place? What's up guys, this is Malala out here in Kisumu city in Kenya. This is another town that is so amazing, and this is just one of the welcoming days. It's my first day here in Kisumu, and we are in the city center right now, and this is how it looks like. So vibrant, so clean, and as you can see, this is how it is, guys. Look at that. Amazing day out here. It's raining. It has been raining since morning. Right now it's midday, but this is how the weather is, guys. So I am in Kisumu, the city where I grew up and studied and also spent most of my lifetime here, guys. So this is it, guys. Welcome to Kisumu for another time. Home sweet home. That one over there, that is a park. It's called the Oile Garden. Lots of businesses going on out here. They're selling shoes. Lots of shoes out here. Wow. A little bookshop out there. Second-hand shops for the clothing. This is Kisumu, guys. Little bookshop. So when I was growing up, this place there was no like these small container shops. The people used to display their goods on the ground, like just on the pavements. But right now, I think it's an initiative of the government, so they've been given like a chance to build these small shops out here. And this is the main roundabout or circle, as you call it. Look at that. We are still here, guys. This is how we cross here. There's literally no traffic lights here. You go with the flow, guys. Look at that. You just go with the flow. No traffic lights. So you just decide on your own when to cross. Also, the drivers have to be lenient enough to decide also and give you some chance so that you can be able to cross the road. This is also one of the famous schools. It's called the Kisumu Boys High School. Look at that. Kisumu Boys. A very old high school that has produced a lot of prominent people in this country of Kenya. Wow. So let's keep walking as I show you around this area of Kisumu City. So guys, this area that you see over there across the road, that is the bus stop area. So I'm gonna show you that side of the bus stop in an exclusive video so that you can be able to see how people commute and also how people move around and the businesses that are around that area. So this is my first day here in Kisumu, the town where I was born and where I grew up. So yeah, just enjoying the natural vibe and also feeling my childhood memories. We are here in Kisumu, a place called United Mall. Yeah, just opposite United Mall, and also next to Salvation Army Nursery School. and there's a shop here that is selling so amazing and beautiful dresses for the ladies. So, sister, what is your name?
Florida collection.
Florida collection.
Yeah.
So I see you have like a lot of amazing, beautiful clothes, and it's like, do you only specify on plus size or all sizes?
All sizes.
All sizes. Okay, so only ladies.
Only ladies.
Okay, so what is your price range for people who want to come and buy your?
Like 1,500.
Okay.
1,000 to 1,500.
All right, so like 1,500 is Kenyan shillings, right?
Kenyan shillings.
All right, so 1,500 Kenyan shillings, guys, is like 1,500 Kenyan shillings. So can you just point for us one dress that can cost that amount?
Like this one.
Like
it
this
costs
one.
That amount.
Wow.
The white one. The white one.
All right.
This one.
Yes. And which one is your best dress that you can recommend to
All of them.
someone? Or the ones that are in front?
Your best. The white one is my best.
The white one is your best.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like also white colors.
All right, guys, you can come here, and if you're in Kisumu and you're looking for a beautiful dress for your lady or just for a female attire, you can come here opposite the United Mall and choose for yourself at very affordable prices. All right. Would you like to give them your business number or where they can find you, if it's on social media or
My
online?
contact is my number.
Yes.
07
All right.
20
Okay.
98 82
All right.
96.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
I hope you guys will come and support. All right.
They come and support me.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, Kisumu City. Amazing, amazing. What's up, guys? We are still in Kisumu City and just cruising around and checking out the vibes. It's a full vibe out here, man. So yes, guys, we are enjoying my hometown. So amazing to be back home. And this is my cousin Elfas, and yes, so this is how it is, guys. Look at that. That side is where my aunt used to stay, Elfas' mom. So yes, man, we are here just to remind ourselves of our childhood memories, man. It's emotional, but yes, we are here just to give thanks for life. Peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out. Guys, I'm in Kisumu City in Kenya, and this is Lake Victoria, guys. This is Lake Victoria in Kisumu, and this is a fresh water lake, guys. So when I was growing up, that is what I used to do. I used to go fishing like those boys. So I would come here in Lake Victoria and fish. So I'm just here to remind myself of the sweet old days. Wow, amazing to be here in Kisumu, guys. Unakumbuka hii place? Hata Masana. Kisumu city, guys. This is my hometown. Look at how it is. Yes guys, this is called Nairobi Road here in Kisumu, Kenya. Look at that. Kisumu is so developed. Nairobi Road over there. And this over here is one of the biggest malls here in Kisumu. It's called Mega City. What's up guys, this is Malala out here in Kisumu, Kenya, and I'm in a place called Nyamasaria, guys. This is Nyamasaria here in Kisumu, and it's so developed, guys. Look at how this market area is busy. Trucks offloading and loading, vendors selling on the roadside, both sides, left and right, and also the tuk-tuk transportation, the boda, which is also called the motorbike transportation, also collecting and dropping people out here. And you can see how the road is really smooth, guys. So amazing to be here in a place called Nyamasaria in Kisumu, Kenya. Look at that, so amazing, guys. People doing their own businesses here. If you look nicely over there, people selecting clothes, and at the back of the road you can see how the houses have been developed and also constructions going on, guys. Very nice. And then there is a breath of fresh air, guys, natural, because you can see in between the buildings and the houses there's a lot of trees, and just a few kilometers away out there is the Lake Victoria, which brings a good breath of fresh air, guys. So amazing to be here in Nyamasaria, guys. Stay tuned for more vlogs coming out of Kenya. My name is Malala, and like, share and subscribe, and then I will see you in the next one.